Welcome to West Campus, the largest of Pima's 5 campuses across Tucson. West Campus offers a wide range of classes, and it's also home to standout programs and student resources that make it unique. Let's take a look around.
Thinking about a career in healthcare like nursing, lab tech, or radiology? West Campus is the hub for most of Pima's health programs, with a brand new center of excellence in health professions, where you can train on real equipment for real careers. And right next door is our on-campus dental clinic, where students get real patient experience while serving the Tucson community.
If you're an artist, West Campus has you covered, from drawing and painting to fashion design, film, photography, and more. You can catch live music, dance, theater performances, as well as other shows here at our Center of Excellence for the Arts. And that's just the start of campus life here.
And speaking of student life, West Campus is home to our Pima athletic teams, including men's and women's soccer, baseball, softball, and more. Join a team, catch a game, or use our facilities like our tennis courts or our fitness center to stay active.
Not big on sports? No worries. There's still plenty of ways to connect with other students outside of class. Across campus, you'll find some spaces to hang out, meet up with friends, grab a bite, or do some studying. Whether you're looking for a quiet nook or a lively student lounge, West Campus has the spot for you.
And don't forget to take advantage of Pima's free student success resources. At West Campus Library, you can reserve private study rooms, access computer and tech, or just find a quiet place to study. And our expert librarians are here to help with research and much more. Need extra support? Come to the Learning Center, where you can find many of the same resources, plus free tutoring, success coaching, and much more support to help you with your studies. And when it comes to supporting students outside the classroom, the food pantry and the student life office are here for you, because at Pima, supporting students goes beyond academics.
And there you have it. From academics to athletics and support, West Campus offers the full college experience for the fraction of university costs. Want to see it for yourself? Come take a tour. We would love to show you around. Can't wait to see you on campus.